In this lecture, we are going to talk about finding tangent theta if you have the ordered pair square root of 3 over 4, comma 1/3. Now, we have talked about when tan of theta equals 1. Then we know that our sine and cosine are going to be square root of 2 over 2, comma square root of 2 over 2. But what if the ordered pair is a bit different? How do you find the tangent? Well, I know that tangent is going to be sine over cosine. So I'm going to draw my fraction. My sine value is 1/3, so I'm going to put 1/3 over my cosine value, which is square root of 3 over 4. Now we need to multiply the fraction. So I have 1/3 times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 4 divided by square root of 3 over 4. I just took this fraction and flipped it over. Now I need to multiply the fractions. So when you multiply straight across. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times the square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3. Now, when you have the answer, you cannot have the square root on the bottom of a fraction. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3 over square root of 3. This is called rationalizing the denominator. So now that we have two fractions again, you multiply straight across. So 4 times the square root of 3 is 4 square root of 3. And then the bottom is going to be 3, and then square root of 3 squared because you have two of those. Now the thing to notice is the square root and the square cancel out. So you are left with 4 square root of 3 over 3 times 3. And that is going to simplify to 4 square root of 3 over 9. So if you are given cosine of square root of 3 over 4 and sine of 1/3, your tangent value is going to be 4 square root of 3 over 9. And the key ideas to take note in this lecture is the idea of multiplying fractions. You multiply straight across. And then when you want to get rid of the square root on the bottom of a fraction, you rationalize the denominator.